Sometimes it can be hard to figure out how to glow up as a man. For women, there seems to be a never-ending list of things to do to make themselves look and feel better. But sometimes men get left in the dirt or get the same list over and over again about how to improve. But there are plenty of simple ways men can glow up that are good practices to get into. If you want to know 7 simple steps to help you achieve a full glow-up look, focus on skincare. Skincare, especially on the face, is important to helping you look your best and reducing wear and tear. Look at some common skincare practices for men and slowly start to add the steps into your daily routine. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser. Use a moisturizer that is appropriate for your skin type. Wear sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. Clear your pores. A skincare routine should naturally help you to clear your pores, but if you haven't quite upgraded to a full skincare routine, then there are certain products you can focus on. Serum and toner are 2 great products to start with to reduce sebum on your face. Get a quality haircut. Have you had the same haircut since you were little? That's pretty common for men, and usually the haircut looks fine. However, if you want to glow up, try to change it up a little. Look at some of the most popular hairstyles and cuts of the year and try to mimic them. Maybe try to grow out your hair for a completely new look. Go to the gym. Building some muscles is always a good way to glow up. While you don't have to have the biggest muscles, burning some of that fat and replacing it with lean muscle and building up your strength and cardio can make a huge difference. Improve your style. Athletic wear and sweatpants may be comfortable, but they don't show off your style, and they don't show that you put effort into your appearance. Instead, find a style that you like online. To start, try and copy people's styles, and eventually you can start adding your own touch. Get regular haircuts. Use a shampoo and conditioner that are appropriate for your hair type. Style your hair in a way that you feel confident in. Soften your lips. No one wants to kiss someone with rough and cracked lips. Take the time to soften them. There are specific lip scrubs out there that you just rub on your lips, but a sugar or salt scrub you make at home can work just as well. Smell good. Smells make all the difference. If you want subtle change that doesn't involve a lot of money, consider changing your smell. If you've never worn a smell before, try to find one that is good not only when you initially smell it, but on your skin. Smells can change based on the oils you produce, and what might smell good normally may not be ideal for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends who could use a glow up too. Until next time, stay sharp, stay confident, and keep on glowing.